Okay. Once again, good morning. The current batch is 10 to 11 a.m. batch. And today is the second demo. And I have 6 batches in a day, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. For me, 1 hour equal to 5 to 2 to 3 hours minimum practice. And this is my contact number. And yesterday, around 10 people called me for different discussions, really good. Once again, I'm providing my contact number. Kindly call me on this number to get suggestions, tips, career guidance, or anything. Demo related questions, ask me in the session, but career related questions, call me on the number. I'll give you proper guidance. And please do not write anything. Simply listen to the session. And we are in the era of artificial intelligence. Listen. Everything I will show you graphically, you practice it. Non-IT people, don't feel panic. I will use technical words. I have to use because we are entering into IT technical component. Try to understand. But again and again, I'm going to explain the same words so you feel comfortable after 2 or 3 days. For IT students, yes. So listen to the today's flow, how I'm explaining, and what type of clarity I'm giving. Accordingly, you take your decision. But definitely, I will give you the best practical and best way of practice, which is suitable for interview and real time. And you guys considering as it instead of considering as a demo, consider the current session as a regular session or important session. And yesterday, today demos, regular classes from Monday at 10 o'clock. The course objective, very detailed subject. So you can work on any type of project in the real time. An interview oriented subject. And Power BI certification, if you are preparing, certification content. And coming to first demo. So yesterday was first demo and today's second demo. In yesterday's demo, first 20 minutes I given introduction regarding what we cover, how we cover. And next 40 minutes I explained about data to fabric, theoretical part. So this is very important. And yesterday's video and document we shared in multiple ways. So this was a drive folder I created for your batch. And what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. And all videos in this folder, first demo video and document I shared. Yesterday, I given access on this drive link. And my team has shared YouTube videos also. In YouTube level also, you will find our videos, the same demo videos you will find, but documents not possible to find. YouTube level, documents not able to find. So this is a demo video, yesterday's video, 22 hours ago. Even I shared an email as well. A couple of people given wrong email ID. So we shared an email also. Power BI first demo documents and all I shared. And today you will receive yesterday's documents as well as today's documents. both. So kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get drive access and get the documents. Coming to yesterday's part, first I will explain this and then I'll address your questions. Later I will go to second demo. So the second demo level, 10 minutes recap of the first demo, only 10 minutes. Later we go for practical demo for 50 minutes. This is our today's agenda. Session will continue till 11:10 or 11:15 max. 11:10 or 11:15 max. But what I explained yesterday. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number and I'm working as a BA lead consultant. The duration for the course is 50 to 60 hours. And class duration 1 hour. And Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. 2 Saturdays per month. And we provide live class videos, access given till 1.5 years. And 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. Solid theory and practical material also provided. In case you are having Excel knowledge, SQL knowledge, advantage, but no prerequisite. Qualification, any graduate. GUI coding, full support to graphical operations and with low code. So Power BI level, we don't have much code and low code process only available. And the current training from basics to advanced level, in case you're looking for fast track training, yeah, my first 20 days classes are sufficient to learn better Power BI. Call me on this number or my number, this number, to guide you about fast track in case you want to finish it up. But call me on this. And next 2 months, I'm going to cover this part. So to cover this, it will take at least 15 hours. Purely project related. Warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies, and database important fundamentals for 3 to 4 hours, which is suitable to work in the Power BI projects. Tablet cube sessions for 2 hours, and job trial guidance, like resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, etc. So next 2 months, I'm going to cover this. And coming to Power BI subject side, cloud components I'm covering, on-premises components I'm covering. Cloud is different, on-premises different. And also Power Apps, Power Automate for 4 hours. To give you better understanding about Power BI environment. So this is what I'm covering next 2 months. And institution side, we will provide a very good theory practical material, however you received yesterday in the same way, on time and promptly. And daily live class video you will receive. The training is full practical onto training. resume preparation sessions, and all the sessions I will conduct. WhatsApp group also created for our technical questions, discussions, etc. And you'll be having very good interaction with me during the classes. FAQ is also discussed. And once you complete the course, you will be in a position to keep less than 5 years in Power BI. Power BI level, less than 5 years, you can keep and try. So this is having more opportunities. 90% opportunities. So learn Power BI. This is Power BI and SQL. And Power BI support resource. Power BI admin resource. These three, plus these combinations also you can try. In case you want to try as a senior role or senior resource, at least 1 or 2 projects knowledge is required, end to end. So this I explained very in detail yesterday. So kindly go through yesterday's video for more understanding. Now, yesterday, after introduction, I explained this part for 40 minutes. How many types of data available? 3 types. How many types of formats available? 2 formats. Storage areas available. One is on-premises, second one cloud. On-premises meaning within your company, within your device, within your system, storage. Cloud, somebody else's storage. So types of data, types of storage, types of format I explained yesterday, because Power BI's strength is this. Power BI is really good in the market with respect to this. Later I explained about IT applications. Many types available, but importantly, first one, second one. First type level, business running. Second type level, business analysis. And you all showing your interest to analyze the business. But how do you do that? Your business data. This is your business data. You use BI tools. And implement BI process. This is your role. First role. Generate report or dashboard. So the analysis process, business intelligence process. You use one tool which implements process and converts this normal data into decision-making data like this and displays reports in dashboard format. This part I explained yesterday in detail. Later, what is BI application? What is BI? Business intelligence, intelligence related to the business. And what is the input of BI? Any data, any type of data, any event data. Output of BI, report and dashboard. So you all guys, after learning Power BI, you will work on any type of data, any event data may be stored. But finally, you develop a report or dashboard. And report level, detailed data available. Dashboard level, high level data available. So this is a report, very detailed data. This is a dashboard, high level data. So input and output of BI I explained here. Next, BI process I explained last class. So general public, business data here. This data you want to convert in analytical fashion here, which is suitable for the management team. And this process we will implement between general public data to management data. And the process is ETL operations first, storage operations next, semantic operations other, last one reporting. So these are the 4 layers every BA project require to convert your normal data into analytical data or decision making data. First layer level data gathering we do. Second layer level, data storage we do. Third level, require data storage, aggregate analytical operations. Last one, presentation. And this is a standard BI process. However, to construct a house, we follow a proper process the same way here. Multiple tools available, multiple technologies available. If any company wants to implement, multiple tools and technologies required. But one company reduced the complexity of multiple tools and technologies, that is MSBA, which is from Microsoft. So Microsoft first product is MSBA, which is having three tools. This is the first tool in this area, second tool in this area, third tool in this area. And because of Microsoft MSBA only, Microsoft is a leader for analytics and BI in the market. So if you're talking about analytics, if you're talking about business intelligence, Microsoft is a leader. Microsoft is a leader because of MSBA. But still, there are a couple of drawbacks. I showed you very clearly yesterday. And Microsoft decided to develop one more powerful BI component, that is Power BI. In Power BI level, single tool available. Power BI is a single tool, but it has concepts. Concept 1 in this area, concept 2 in this area, concept 3 in this area. Three concepts will perform end-to-end process in Power BI. So this is MSBA, this is Power BI. So MSBA, I will conclude, a self-service BI suite with multiple tools to perform end-to-end operations and generate a report or dashboard. Power BI, a self-service BI application, perform end-to-end process with multiple concepts to perform end-to-end process. End-to-end means data getting onwards till report generation, or simply the BI process to perform end-to-end process and generate a report or dashboard. So this all we do using three tools in MSBA. This all we do using multiple concepts in a single tool in Power BI. I explained very, very clearly last class. This process we do very easily in Power BI. I'll show you an example today. When Power BI, when MSBA available, why Power BI? Many points I said yesterday. Please go through the video. If I repeat it, it's a repeated session, not a fresh session. I'm just giving heads up. And Power BI, two ways we can define adding power to the existing BI, because already MSBA available and good in the market, the best in the market, but still Microsoft given new component, definitely for some reasons. What are those? And Power BI is a low code application. Cloud and on-premises both supportive application, self-service application for generating reports and dashboards. And Power BI announced July 2013. Every month we have an update in Power BI level. Every month we have an update till this month. So what is Power BI? Which year it is released? What type of versioning we have? I clearly mention here, kindly go through. Shall I? Right. Next, I explained last class Power Platform. So 2013 Power BI given a wonderful low-code component. It's a low-code component for reports and dashboards. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release such kind of multiple components? That is Power Platform. So Power Platform level, Power Apps, one low-code application available. Power Automate, one low-code application available. Virtual Agent, one low-code application available. Power Pages, one low-code application available. Multiple low-code applications in the Power Platform level. And Microsoft assumed like this combination will be good, or this combination will be good. But companies not showing interest for the combinations. They are going in a different way. That's why Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is the current hot solution for multiple operations. What is Fabric? An artificial intelligence based solution with multiple tools. First one, Power BI. This is for reports and dashboards. And Data Factory for data integration. Want to integrate the data. Data Activator for data monitoring and governance. And Synapse for storage and analytics. So these four components combination is Microsoft Fabric. Done. So this is what last class explained, and whatever Power BI explained, that is Fabric Power BI. So I'm concluding before I go to the fresh part. Powering BI. Adding more power to existing BI. That is Power BI. Or Power BI is a low-code from a self-service BI application, cloud and on-premises supportive. Cloud means somebody else storage, on-premises within the organization, cloud and on-premises supportive. Application to generate reports and dashboards, or we generate reports and dashboards. So input in Power BI, data, maybe any type, any format, any storage data. Output, report or dashboard. Now I'm going to explain. Create a report from daily transactions data. I will create a report from daily transactions data. So while creating, I will use BI process and BI tool. This example I will practice. I request you also practice at home. Whatever the data, whatever the inputs required for you, I will provide you. Now I'm open for questions. Kindly ask your questions before I go to practical part. Lamba, Vishwadit Chaitanya, Rajesh, Lalita, Nagaraj, Nilesh, Rajendra, Rosa, Sai Krishna, Sitak, Sunita, Venkat, Yashwant, Ganesh. Any questions? Kindly ask your questions.
Vinay, you said with 20 days fast track, it will complete everything, whatever is required.
No, call me on my number, I will tell you.
Okay.
Because in the 20 days, what training will be covered, everything I will tell you. But 60 days subject never covered in 20 days. That point you remember. In case if someone says like we cover, they, as you don't know, they will cover at 30 to 40% and say like 100% covered. And I don't take normal fast tracks because my 1 hour session equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. In a day, if I take 2 hours and you require 6 to 8 hours of practice. If I take 3 hours, you require minimum 10 hours practice in a day. It's really tough to do. And guys,
Actually,
you
I
want
was
to talk?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, I wanted to know, you mentioned in one of the, during the sessions, you said that the first 20 days will be if we want to go for fast track, the 20 sessions will be sufficient.
Yeah,
I
that
just
is
wanted
true.
to know what will be left in the next 40
Yeah, that's
sessions.
what I will tell you, sir. I will tell you if you call me on my number.
Okay, fine.
Okay, it will take at least 5 minutes to explain you that part. Guys, we'll make it meaningful. Till 11:10, you stay tuned here. Till 11:10. I will show you practical and kindly implement the practical today before you start from tomorrow. So the example is this. This is an example I'm going to cover. So this is your transactional data or daily data. My family expenses data. And guys, you do not feel panic. I'll share the video. I'll share the practical implementation document. Use both for your practice. Video, practical document. Or demo practice. Since you are new, you may feel little fast, but I will not go fast. Content is new, but I will not go fast. Don't worry. And don't confuse as well. In case already your experience, you feel a very normal example this is. But I want to tell you the BA beautiness, BA tool awareness. I want small example, a meaningful example. So this is the daily transactions data. Day-wise information available. Every day, how much money I spent.
So every day you provide the data to practice on this.
You will get proper data, proper cloud credentials, and proper material, proper video every day.
Okay.
So whatever you require for practice, those I will provide you. So this is a day-wise amount, reason, area, location. Every day, how much money I spent, for which reason I spent, in which area I spent, and location also available. From this, I want to generate a report like this. I want to show what is my total spending in a particular year and month if user select. And average money I spent, maximum money I spent, minimum money I spent. And also, I want to show for which reasons I spent more money, for which reasons I spent less money, more and less. And for which location, how much percentage money I spent? 20% Hyderabad location, 30% Chennai location, 15% Vizag location. Like this also I want to show. And mapping, what are the locations I traveled? Vizag I traveled, Hyderabad I traveled, and what I traveled, I want to show. So based on this filter, the values, based on this filter, the comparisons, the compositions, the mapping, everything I want to show. And this is called decision-making data. This data is decision-making data. Some people say analytical data. A couple of people say BA data. This is decision-making or analytical BA. But how do you convert from this to this? How do you convert from this to this? Not simple. We need a BA process. Like this data first we need to get. Extraction is the first step. This data we need to transform. If data is not in a good shape, we need to transform. Yeah, similarly, if you want to construct a building, first your family requirements, you take it. And what are the construction, what are the restrictions your family members want to follow, you follow it. One by one you go. The same way here also. First bring the data, transform the data if it is not proper shape. Later establish relationships. This is get data. Here shape the data. Apply relationships. Security apply. Finally, take visuals like this. Visuals. So this is a visual, visuals. And you'll get BI data. So this process, if you implement, then you can do it. MSBI, if you go to MSBI, 3 tools compulsory required. If you go to legacy BI, old BI, 3 different companies and 3 tools required. MSBI level 3 tools, legacy old BI level 3 different tools and 3 different resources required. But Power BI, single application sufficient. This is a single application. And we call it as a desktop, Power BI desktop. What is desktop? You heard about it many places. Windows desktop, Tableau desktop. Many places you find it. Desktop indication, graphical, operations, area. Power BI desktop indicate Power BI, graphical, operations, area. So this is a tool we require to implement this process so that a report will be generated. So I will tell you now how to download this component, how to install the component. You can do it. Later, how to create a report. This is the stuff I'm going to explain now. Go through. Power BI total components, if you see, these are the components available. Cloud components, on-premises components. Report development component. At cloud level, Power BI desktop. Report storing and management component on the cloud level. This is the one, app.powerbi.com. So simply people who want to place their reports in Microsoft side, this is Microsoft side, and they want to manage the reports, those people go for cloud. So users will come to this only, and they will navigate from here, not from this. And this is only report development. And these are the concepts we will implement on this. The above BA process, what I said, that we will implement here using these concepts. But ultimately, we need to move to cloud to manage the reports. This is the first component, this is the second component, compulsory required in the real time for cloud interested people. 95% people using this. cloud desktop, cloud server. So in real time, you use this only more. But 5% people using on-premises. That means they will install the server in their company and they will ask customers to come to the server and see the information. Okay. And here we need a desktop called report server desktop. This is a third component. This is a fourth component. So 1, 2, cloud. 1, 2, on-premises. Report builder is the fifth component. Power BI developer is the sixth component. Embedding is the seventh component. Eighth component is gateway. Gateway. So Power BI having 8 components and 4 concepts. We use 98% hence Power BI desktop and a cloud. So this and this we use it. Actually, 8 components are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth one is gateway. But these two we use it highly, 1 and 2. What about 4 concepts? This is concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4.
So
Right.
what are
Now,
those components? What are those components? Cloud, premises, other components, and gateway. Those are the components.
yeah, those are the components. Separately, we need to install and work depending on the situation.
What about the other one? Microsoft Flow, Power Apps, and Mobile Publisher?
Those are part of Microsoft Power Platform now. Those are part of Microsoft Power Platform. That's why I'm not telling as part of Power BI components. Right. Next one. I'm explaining this, how to download, install, and focus. Slowly I go. What is desktop? Graphical operations area. Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop, many desktops available in the market. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI graphical operations area. And what about hardware software requirements? Minimal, I'm telling you. So Windows 8 or above is good. And minimum 2 GB RAM, minimum 1.5 gigahertz processor. So these are the requirements minimally required if you want to work on. Very normal requirements. And if you want to download, there are 3 ways. First way, I'm talking about downloading. Google it in advanced download. No account is required. There are multiple accounts in the Power BI and prefer this for the time being. So Power BI having Pro account, Premium account, Capacity account, Fabric account, multiple accounts. And I will give you accounts. I'll give you accounts for practice. Don't worry. But demo level, this one you prefer it. because no account is required, directly you can work on. But classroom level, these two I will explain. Because those are required in the classroom level, I will explain those things. Account required both the places. So this is about hardware, software requirements. What about installation? Very simple. Installation is very simple. Click the setup, follow the instructions. Let me show you how to download. Google it. Power BI desktop download, you click it. Click on download Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. So you can read it. The version of the Power BI desktop. What exactly Power BI desktop can do. System requirements. What are the requirements? I'll explain later very clearly about this. For the time being, high level. And installation instructions. And download it by clicking on this. There are two softwares available. This is 433, 487. Normal Power BI. This is 64-bit Power BI. Means this is 32-bit machine suitable. And this is system type 64-bit. There are two types available. For 64-bit, this is good. Let me identify what type of system I'm having. Guys, this is search area. In the search area, you click here and type here sysinfo. System information. And you are having system type here 60. My system type. The same thing you can find in the this PC properties. In your system level, go to this PC and properties. There also you'll find it. So which one I need to download? Go to this. This is my system type. Click on this, download it and work on it. Once it is downloaded, it looks like this. I'll go to industry. So this is the way it looks like. Recently I downloaded. Just go here. Next, finish. After this, you will find shortcut on desktop. So go to that. This is one. There are two desktops available if you see this. This is for cloud and this is for on-premises. But both we'll see in the regular classes. And this is cloud desktop, which we are talking about. But there is one more available, on-premises desktop. So on-premises people go for it. The people who want to keep in their company servers and ask users to work on it, those people should use this. And who want to move to cloud and ask people to work on it, those people require this desktop. I installed both, but right now we need to work on this because this is what I'm explaining. Okay. After installing, open it. Click Power BI desktop. So this is the first interface. See, asking some account. If possible, I will give you the account also. You can practice it. So this is the main interface. Home, new, or open, report, your wish. And you want to read videos. And you want to see working objects, everything possible. Once again, click Power BI Desktop. It will open like this. File, home, click new. New report. Yeah, I clicked on it. It is opening like this. And this is a main interface. And we call it as self-service interface. Complete BA process. Using the below methods implemented. For the first one, it will take data. Data extraction first, this tool will do. Data transformation is the second step. Data modeling is the third step. Security is the fourth step. Visualization is the next step. Finally, business intelligence data generated. What is extract? Extract indicate get data. Transform indicate shape data. Modeling indicate relationships. Security indicate hide data. Visualization indicate adding visuals. And strictly speaking, this is called as first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. Fixed process. Don't say little confusing. It's a fixed process. Very fixed process. Every report designed by following this. You want to construct a house or any number of houses you want to construct, same process will follow the same way here. And this is the first area, get data. Second area, transform data. Third area, relationships. Fourth area, security. Fifth area, this is the area, visualization. So 5 nearby areas. If you want to do in MSBA, 3 tools required. The 5 areas you want to do in MSBA, 3 tools. And before MSBA, if you go multiple companies, multiple tools required. But Power BI desktop level, all are very close. It will bring the data, shape the data, relationships establish, see relationship, security establish, visualization. Now I want to explain something additional. And this is called as saving, quick save, undo, redo. And this is title. This is search. And this is account. If possible, I will share you the account, use it, cloud account. This is minimize. And this is maximize. This is closing, the first area. And these are called menu tabs. And this is called as home options available, home ribbon. Menu tabs, home ribbon. And these are the 3 views available. And this is called report view. visuals plus data. And this is called grid view, data view. And this is called relationship view. Relationships established. And this is a filter pane. Just data filtering. And this is visualization pane. Microsoft plus third party visuals available. So these are. This is third party. This is a data area, data pane. Tables, columns, etc. available. And this is a main area. Actually, this is called canvas. This is called report canvas. And here is a place pages available, pages. Click plus one more page, plus one more page. So these are a few options in the Power BI desktop. More options I'll explain in the regular class on Monday. Monday, I will explain more options. It will take 45 minutes to explain all the options in the desktop, but we don't have that much of time to explain. Now, my business data, I want to transform, relate, model, visualize. This process I want to apply to generate a report. Where is the data? This is the data. My family expenses data. See guys, this is the Excel sheet. Day-wise information available. This data I want to generate in reporting format. How do you do it? Classroom perspective, only Excel. But so not classroom, demo perspective. Classroom level, databases, cubes, and many things we will work on. Demo practice, Excel. Classroom level, databases, cubes, etc. Many we are going to use. And CSV file, JSON file, Excel file, XML file, all we will discuss. I'm closing it. Open the tool. Now, what is the first step? Get data. So click on this. I'm clicking on first step. Excel workbook. Or any other you want to bring, yeah, you can bring it from here. But I will go to Excel. So step by step I go. Now I will go to badges. I'll set the Excel application. Okay. Just browse it. So guys, it will look like this. Now select the sheet. This is the sheet data you want to take. Select it. Click OK. That is load. There is an option called load in the down. Click load. See guys, data available here. In this area, data available. I brought it, data available here. And you want to see the data. Click on this. So this area, you can see the data. So click data view, it shows the data. Something is not correct. First one, The column heading not proper. This is supposed to be the column heading, but not happen. So what we need to do? We need to remove this. Because just heading, normal data heading. Remove this first. And then you make this column heading second. 2 operations you do it. Third one, split this into multiple columns. So that area analysis proper, location analysis proper. That is the third one. So if you make 3 operations, this will be in proper shape. And we call it as transformation. Once again, the current given data is not column by column. This is not column by column. And no proper column headings. To make it column by column, remove this, take this as column heading, and split the data. So where do we do? I told you second area. But second area, how do we go? Go to again report view. This view. From here only navigation is easier. Report view. To see the data, data view. Other is report view. Report view. Click transform data, transform. Click on transform. It opens a separate window for data shaping. See, this is separate window. Full transforms available in this window. Transforms means data change options. 1000 plus available. 1000 plus transform options. Once it is done, required one, just go to close and apply. Here is a place. So it will apply the changes and then close. Apply the changes and then close. So what I want to do, this first one, if you remove it, this you can make it heading. So remove this first. So in this corner, this is a corner, if you see this. In this corner, we have options. Click on this. Remove top row. I'm going to top row option. Mention 1. Number of rows to remove 1. Click OK. I mention only 1. So the first one remove. Say first one remove. In the right hand side, you're able to see what is the operation you're able to perform. Or you perform. You want to cancel the previous one? Click cancel. The previous one cancelled, again you got back. So how do you delete? Click on this. Remove top row. Mention 1. Let us consider this as heading. So click on this. Use first row as header. Everything very good. Third one required. This you need to split this column. Only right click. Here also right click. Here also right click. This column you want to split. Right click. Split column by delimiter. This one. Right click. Split column by delimiter. Because both are separated with 2 hyphens. See, separate 2 hyphens. So we need to go to by delimiter. Split the data by delimiter. Mention here the delimiter. Delimiter or separator, both are same. This is a separator. Mention here, separator. See the ease of operations. Data split by 2 hyphens. And click OK. Now it got divided into 2 areas. Location, location 2. Change the column heading. How do we change in Excel level? Just double click. I'm changing it. Double click. I'm changing it. Once transformation is completed, just go to close and apply in this area. Close and apply. Now the changes applied and perfectly closed. Guys, wait for 10 more minutes. 11:20 I will close. Please stay tuned. 10 minutes maximum. So I moved to this, completed, closed it. Now daily expenses data, go to table view, see that. How is it looking? Properly looking. Date, amount, reason, area, and put. Now go to report view. So first step, retrieval. Second step, transformation. Because no proper shape. If proper shape is available, directly you can use it. The third one, relationship. Click on this. Guys, only one table available, so no relationship. Single table, so no relationship. Next, report view, security modeling. And I don't have security scenario in this area. What do you mean by security? Hyderabad person should see Hyderabad data. Vizag person should see Vizag data. So that is called security not available. Then what is the last one? The last one is visualization, fifth one. So I will explain fifth one. So 1 completed, 2 completed. So home, I'm going to home. 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 not required, 4 not required, only 5. So if I complete 5th, the report is generated. So I will close the 5th one now. Wait for a moment. This is a view. And these are the visuals, and these are data we use. My question is, user should select year and month. So this is the first visual where user can use filter, and we call it as a slicer. I will explain about second visual, card visual, single value show. I will explain about bar chart comparison. Just demo purpose. High level. I'll explain pie chart, composition. I'll explain map visual to generate a map. So different types of visuals, how easily we use in Power BI, I would like to show. Those 5 I will show you. First, slicer. This is called slicer. Click on it. It is available like this. I clicked on it. It's available. Now click on this. Date hierarchy, year. So in the daily expenses, year available here. So just drag and drop year here. But if you want like this, no problem. Otherwise, go to format. For every visual, 2 sections available. First, data. Second, format. This is called data area. This is called format area. Every visual, routine part. You can format 2 ways. One is specific visual format, common all visuals format. Like color, font, those are called formats. Now click on this. Slicer settings, these settings. Style. Vertical list. Selection. This is a vertical list. You can give in button format. You can give in drop down format. Any format you can do. I took a vertical list. Here, this is header. This is header formation, and this is value formation. Just go and take. How do we take colors and all in MS Word? The same way. MS Word, PowerPoint, etc. Slicer header, bold, take some color, increase the font, right? Even values, bold. This is 15 or 16. Control C. Sorry, this is okay. I want a border for it. Guys, go to formation. These 3 specific to this. General level, you have effects. Under this, visual border. General level. Next. Control C. Control V. Year. In place of year, I will take month. I took a copy paste. Copy paste I took. Once again, the same thing I want it with month value. So highlight, Control C, Control V. I want month here. Take month here, but remove the year. So months ready. All the months. But I don't want all the months. I need only 2 months. Then filter. This filter usage I'm explaining now. In this slicer, all values okay. Your task is done, but I want to take only 2. Then go to filter. How to use filter I'm telling. So go to month, expand, select what are the months required. July and August only required. See how simple it is. If you want to filter anything, just go to filters, filter, done. Successfully completed. Year, month. You don't like this format, you can highlight, click on format your visual, slicer setting, list available. You want tile. Tile means button. July button, August button. That's also okay. Highlight, format. Click slicer setting, change. If you practice one time, you'll remember it. Next, I want to show my total value, average value like this. My total average all I want to show. Just go here, card visual, single value you want to show card. Click card. First visual. Second card. Third card. Fourth card. 4 cards. And first card you click data. This is a data area. Take amount. Drag and drop amount here. From here, amount you take. From here, amount you take. Automatically, sum is giving fine. Now, click on this. Average you want. So, sum and drag and drop. But I need average. Don't worry. Drop down available. Click on this drop down. Take average. This is a beauty of Power BI. No need to write any code. Just select it, whatever you want. No expression, just average. You want maximum here. Amount here. Click on this maximum. Click on this amount here. Minimum. Click on this minimum. Now click format your visual. That's okay. Value of place okay. I want to format. This is called call out value. This is called category label. What are the colors? What are the fonts you want to take? You can take it. I will take it quickly. Call out value, bold. 30 size I'm taking. Color, blue color. Units, how do you want to show? None, 1,000, million, billion. This is million. This is billion. I'll take none, normal value. So in the call out value, none, normal value. Category label, this label, bold and color, pink color. Increase the size. I'll make this small and place here. And general level affects body, routine part. So for this visual, I took colors here and here body. But the same format I want for all. These all same format. So one by one you can do it, or else there is something called format painter here. This you can use it. Click on this. Click. Click on this. Click. Click on this. Click. If you select 19 total average max min. August, if you click 19 and August, sum, average, max, min. If you click 20 August values, 20 July values, like this. Understood? Want to clear up the selection? Selection clear here. So these are business values show. Now comparison required. So for which reason more money is spent, which reason less money is spent, I want to compare. Then take a bar chart, this chart. Y-axis. So in this bar chart level, I took this. This bar chart level, Y-axis, what do you want to show? X-axis, what do you want to show? I want to show reason here. I want to show amount here. Here reason, here amount I would like to show. So Y-axis level, you take reason because I decided like that. X-axis level, I take amount. Normal property, go to format your visual, general, effects, border. This is food value. And whatever you're able to see in the black background, that is called tooltip, travel, internet, etc. So these three highest spending, food, travel, internet, and these three lowest spending. If you select 19 highest spending, lowest spending. 20 highest spending, lowest spending. August, both the years, August, highest and lowest. July, say travel more. July month, traveling more. You can clear off. This is one visual. Next, reason, okay. Location wise, how much money I spent, percentage. So take a visual called pie chart. This visual. So click on the visual. Asking me legend. This visual asking me legend. Legend level, I will take location. Value level, I will take amount. This I will take here, this I will take here. Mention location here. Amount in this year. Now you can explore bigger. This is focus view to see it bigger. Hyderabad value 40%. Visakhapatnam 40%. Vijayawada 15% business. Siddipet 2% business. And Suripet 2% business. Not business spending. So I spent 40, 20, 15 like this. And you can go to this general FX program. If you select 20 values. 19 spending. August, 19 August spendings. All change. This is called cross filtering. If you filter this, all are changing. This is the beauty. Last one, what are the locations I traveled? I want to know. And click on location map. This is the one. So click on that. Undo. Don't highlight anything. Blank area map. Scroll bigger. Asking me in this one, location. I will take this location. Now it will show bubbles. So bubble size, you want to control down one more measure variable. Bubble size level amount I will take. So I will take amount first here. Location level, location here. Slowly you come to know what is this and now. This is focus mode, full mode of the visual, full mode of the visual. Visakhapatnam, more value, bigger bubble. Hyderabad, more value, bigger bubble. Vijayawada, medium value, medium bubble. Now go back. And I will take general effects border. If you click 19, 2020 information, August 20 August travel locations and minimum. So this is the way we develop an application, and this is called as document. File menu, if you save it, you will find it. Save. I'm saving here. Vinay Power BI, first demo document, not report. See the extension PBX. .xlsx. This is Excel document. .docx. Word document. And PBIX, Power BI document. So you are saving as a Power BI document. Save. But customer does not require getting data, transforming data, modeling, security. He required only this view. This view customer required. How do you do? Then you move this to cloud, or you move this to server, and then users will connect and operate. So the next pending part is this we need to move to cloud or server, then only user will access, otherwise they cannot access. So this application is basically desktop application to develop a report like this by implementing multiple operations. Got clarity? So we got data, we perform operations, BI process, which I said, and finally you made a report. 98% use desktop and do like these operations one by one. And you want to see where I saved it? I saved it. In 9 AM March batch folder. This is the document, first demo Power BI document. Over? Good. So I decided today to explain this process. How to get this data, how to create it by using this, and how to download, install, also explain. And from this, you need to understand how easily we do the operations in Power BI. Whether you're technical or non-technical resource, you can do easily. But only small complexity, when you write calculations, for your business calculations required, that time we use a language called DAX. If you're not doing any operations, then no need of DAX. Some average, these kind of things required, this language is not required. But last year value, 5 or 10 years back value, 20 years back value, like this, if you want to compare, then this language is required. It is also very simple. Like Excel for functions, we have set of functions, those functions we need to use. That's why Power BI is called low code application. What do we call it? Low code. Maximum code, we don't use it, but we use the code that too for our calculations. And I planned for two things today. One is a recap of yesterday's part. And second one, practical demo. These two parts. And successfully these two completed. And regular classes from Monday. Monday at 10 o'clock, 10 to 11 sharp. No delay in the session. And my course objective, as I told you, very detailed subject for interview and real-time working perspective. And certification in case you want to clear. So I'll give you FAQs and many more stuff. Those are sufficient. Very systematic and proper training you will get from here. With proper material, videos, documents, everything. And who all joined and not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. So today's video and practical document, you will find it for your practice. And this is my contact number. You can call me after 15 minutes because a couple of offline people are there. I will address their questions. Call me after 15 minutes to discuss. So my 1 hour equal to for you daily 2 to 3 hours practice. Remember. My first for 20 days classes are sufficient in case you want to work in the companies. Then what about the rest of the classes? After 20 days, I will go for Power BI subject. One by one component, I will explain in detail. But first 20 days, we do case studies. Case studies in a real-time way. First 20 days. After 40 days, subject. So you can take video in case you're looking for fast track kind of operations. The first 20 days, everything will be covered.
So after the session, if we have any doubts, so whom should I call?
You need to call me. That's why I'm giving you my number, and we will be having WhatsApp group like this. See, people, this person messaged me, sir, I will go through them. I'm coming through the metro, 11:30 I will reach. And he need project out. And today he attended one session as well. Very proper information and systematic.
Oh.
So please share the link for tomorrow's class. And he's having many project questions. That's why he's coming now, coming out of the institution. And yesterday he shared a resume for verification, many things. I will address everyone's questions.
Okay.
So 11:05, he just dropped a message. And they're asking, sir, could you please keep a poll in the group of 6 p.m. session? I'm sure everyone will respond in that way. People will work on it. They generate reports.
Okay.
So don't worry about communication and correspondence. So we have very good rating, strong student base, and that is only giving us a proper survival in the organizations. Next.
So whatever you explaining in the live session, so will it useful in the after getting job? So in the real project.
Before you join, and the interview level helpful and real time working level helpful.